All right, hola y buenos dias. This video is in case you need additional support for the assignment. On this first slide, it says, ¿Cómo está la persona? How is this person? For each image, you want to tell me how the person is feeling. You need to use the verb estar for each. So it either would be él está or ella está. For example, maybe it's tired, happy, nervous, and sick. For the next slide, you're telling me whether he or she has a certain pain based on the image. So for number 1, he has a stomach ache. 2, she has a sore throat. 3, he has a headache. 4, her eyes hurt. 5, his foot hurts. You have a choice to use tener dolor de for each or the verb doler, and certainly you could mix it up. If you're using tener dolor de, remember that it's going to start with a form of tener, in this case tiene dolor de, and it's then the body part at the end. If you're using doler, you're using me, te, le, nos, os, or les, in this case le for each of them, and duele or duelen followed by the part of the body. Duele would be one thing, like estómago, garganta, cabeza, or pie. Duelen would be for plural, los ojos. This slide is basically to help you with the last slide. So on the last slide, you are trying to fill in the blanks based on the sentences. So there's a lot of vocab here to support you in figuring out the sentences. I tried to make it fairly simple. The words that are underlined are going to basically serve as a word bank for the fill-ins. So everything that is underlined is going to be used to fill in these blanks. Okay? Buena suerte. Email with any questions.